Start with a slip knot and chain 3. 1 double crochet in this first chain. This will form a ring. Chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Repeat it one more time. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Chain 3 picot, chain 3 and insert your hook on all the stitches. That's 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch. Chain 2 and 1 single crochet into the circle. That's 1 petal made. Repeat this. Chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster, three loops, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 stitch made. Chain 3 picot and insert your hook into all the stitches 1, 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1 single crochet. Repeat this until you have 5 petals. Next on chain 6 and 1 double crochet in the third chain from the hook, this one. This will form the ring. Now continue making petals as you did over here. Chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster, yarn over and pull through all the loops, chain 1, 1 chain 3 picot, 1, 2 and 3 and insert your hook on all the stitches. Chain 2 and 1 single crochet. Repeat this. This is how it will look. Now we can keep repeating these petals. That's chain 6, one double crochet in the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3. This is the ring form. Chain 2 and keep repeating it. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.